Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create price alerts for your next flight on the Skyscanner app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Skyscanner app, then go to your profile, and to create a price alert, which would help you to find when to buy the tickets so you get the best deal, you just have to tap on your trips and the price alerts at the trip planning section. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up the Skyscanner site, and here you have to create all your info. Enter your informations. What flights are you looking for? Where are you traveling? And how many tickets do you need? And then you can create your price alert section, and you will receive notifications when the prices drop for that specific flight or route. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.